Now, what do you all make of this recent report that the president of the world governing body of football, Mr. Gianni Infantino, is facing criminal charges in Switzerland for a series of meetings he had with the Swiss Attorney General? We're not sure what laws were broken, but if it reached the level of criminal charges, it's serious. Yes. And remember now, Infantino was installed as FIFA president to restore the image and integrity of the organization after the corruption-riddled demise of the previous Sepp Blatter executive, which saw several senior members either gone to prison, facing extradition, or at least booted out of office. Well, Infantino and his new executive was supposed to be these squeaky clean alternatives, servants of the game, who were about sharing the riches of FIFA with the member nations instead of feathering them own nest. Yes. And look, we've been hearing whispers before, but now a mere 4 years into his royal ministry, his presidency, and the thing reached criminal prosecution, and is the Maverick alone seem to care? No, sir. What the devil is happening here? Is it now okay for the president of FIFA to be facing criminal charges and still on the job? You know, so we never want to say this, but I'm going to say it. I bet you if Gianni Infantino was a black man, if he was a yes, if he was black, yes, it's true. If he was black, he would have gone already.